Hello YouTubers, welcome to Chrissy Home Garden. I'm gonna give you guys an update on my potato plant. It got really big, so this summer I'm gonna transplant to one of my flower pots bins out there, close to my shed. And I'm gonna give you guys some tips here. When it's gonna get bigger, these little potato shoots, that's what I call them, potato shoots, because it's starting to grow the flower pot, let's put it that way. When these get bigger, when they start to flower, it's going to tell you when, it's going to tell you that potato plant is getting ready to form baby potatoes. And when that flower goes away and the plants die back, then it's ready to harvest potatoes. And this is my first time ever growing potatoes. When I was little, I tried growing. They rotted in the soil and it smelled real bad. I'm the lucky one to this time to grow one. So subscribe, comment, rate, share, and push like. Bye.